how to rank up weapons fast in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Players looking to unlock every single attachment for their favorite weapon, along with ranking up in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, is essential to improve the gameplay experience. Call of Duty Black Ops 6 offers several ways players can level up their weapons immediately. Each weapon in the armory has its progression, with the Jackal PDW dominating the early stages of the cycle. Many players want to know how to increase its level to create a powerful build for multiplayer action. GadInsider has compiled the steps to level up weapons fast in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 multiplayer. Black Ops 6 provides a variety of game modes for players to battle it out in. Whether it's Team Deathmatch or the new Kill Order mode, there are a few ways to maximize the amount of weapon XP awarded at the end of a match. Focus on the objective. Objective-based modes like Hardpoint and Domination provide additional XP for players who manage to take control and secure the zones on the map. For even more XP, players can score kills while controlling them, which is a surefire way of racking up plenty of weapons XP rapidly. Sitting on a hardpoint hill or a domination zone while teammates sprint around eliminating the opponent isn't an appealing task, but for those searching to have plenty of options when building the strongest loadout, watching the score climb is sure to help. Scoring kills. Scoring kills is the easiest way to level up weapons rapidly in Black Ops 6 multiplayer. Each elimination score contributes to the total amount of XP rewarded at the end of a match. Scoring more than one kill unlocks the multi-kill XP bonus, which can be earned by scoring kills while attacking or defending the objective. Equip right utility. Earlier Call of Duty games have viewed players adapting a variety of lethal and tactical equipment to maximize the amount of weapon XP earned. It's unclear if Black Ops 6 would sport a decoy grenade, but if it does, players indicated to equip this immediately for maximum gains.